Hello everyone, my name is Joel Ferrer, and today I have two simple questions for you. Do you know who the man Edward White was, or perhaps what the court case Mapp versus Ohio was about? No? Well, that's okay. Today I'm going to bring you a 5-minute brief yet thorough explanation on who this person was and what this court case was about. First up, we have Supreme Court Justice Edward White. Edward White, quick overview. Edward White was born on November 3, 1845, near Lafourche Parish, Louisiana. He was the 9th Chief of Justice of the United States, and he sadly passed away on May 19, 1921. Edward White's early life. White was raised as an Irish Catholic and was instilled Catholic morals because of his mother and his father. He had studied at Georgetown University and excelled both academically and athletically. He had also fought for the Confederate Army, and his father was the 10th governor of Georgia. Edward White's career. In 1874, he was elected state senator. He was Associate Justice of the Supreme Court from 1879 all the way up until 1880. He was elected state Supreme Court in 1878. He was then elected U.S. Senate as a Democrat in 1890, where he served all the way until March 12, 1894, when he had resigned. He was also elevated at one point to the U.S. Supreme Court by President Grover Cleveland. Edward White's landmark cases. One of Edward White's most famous cases is the Standard Oil versus U.S. case. This case stated that Standard Oil could not be controlled by one sole company, but in fact many companies could indulge on this Standard Oil. The court had ruled in favor of the U.S., and this had allowed for the breakup of Standard Oil for more profit. In essence, other companies could also chime in on Standard Oil and use this to make money. Other interesting side facts. He had married Lelia Montgomery Kent, and his father was a big slaveholder. Next up, we have the court case, Mapp versus Ohio. What exactly happened, and what was this court case about? A woman at one point had been accused of harboring a fugitive. Later that year, police had raided her home and searched her and found the fugitive. This action is a direct violation of the Fourth Amendment, which is the Search and Seizure Amendment. This amendment states that no police officer or anyone of law enforcement can search your house without a proper warrant. This means that any evidence they had collected was obtained illegally, therefore it could not be presented in court. In the end result, the court had ruled that the evidence was not usable, and therefore, while the crime was proved and they did find evidence supporting that she had committed a crime which was harboring a fugitive, the criminal was set free due to the violation of the Fourth Amendment, making the evidence in court not usable, making the criminal set free. Thank you. Have a good day.